Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome to our channel. Once again, month of Ramadan is here and we are all ready to do our best. Ramadan has a lot of spiritual benefits and with that also have health benefits. Fasting is really good for us. I know a lot of people think that no, fasting is not good. Your body is dehydrating, so many things happening, but trust me, it's just good. You burn more fat in the month of Ramadan, which is quite obvious, but not for everyone, especially if you don't look after your diet. It increases insulin sensitivity and overall balance of insulin in our body. Fasting increases human growth hormone, which everyone wants. And fasting also have effect to boost your testosterone, reducing inflammation in our body, and so on. We must focus on our diet if you want to benefit from this fasting. And we need to make sure that we don't do something not from the Sunnah. Prophet ﷺ said, "The offspring of Adam fills no vessel worse than his stomach. Sufficient for the child of Adam are a few morsels to keep his back straight. If he must eat more, then third should be for his food, third for his drink, and a third left for air." It is also sunnah to break fast with dates. If dates not available, you can break fast with water. Which says a lot, that no more recipe videos in this month. No, that's not true. I'm going to make really nice, exciting recipe videos which is full of nutrients and smaller in portion. If you don't want to miss any of our recipe videos in the month of Ramadan, make sure you subscribe, and I hope to see you in next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.